Good morning. It's Van from Level8, July 13th, 2026. We're going to do this pre-market analysis here, and let's get rolling on that. So we're going to start off with the key ranges chart, which is the way we usually do this. Basically, we're looking at the two futures indexes that we trade in the room. We've got ES and NQ here. You're looking at the micros. That's what most people will trade in our group. We get reads here, structural reads, based on what the previous auction and our value areas. So both of these indexes, here's NQ, are within uh, yes, the prior auction, Friday's auction. There's H1, there's L1. ES is squarely in the center of it. However, NQ has dropped out of that previous value area on the volume profile. So a structural read will get this based on that, and the rates, excuse me, and GWAP will be a lower accepted value, and it's likely bearish from a structural standpoint. That's the read we get. The read we get on ES is a VWAP magnet likely. Now, that can be a really good combination for us, a likely bearish or likely bullish and a VWAP magnet read together could mean that we get some large waves. So they'll run a ways away from VWAP and then come back, etc. And we'll have to see how that goes. But certainly we've got the bullish or the bearish neutral read there. NQ is down 300 points. If we go, if we were to go look at the, if we were to go look at the expected move today for NDX, that expected move is 222 points. So for us to be down 300, we may expect a little rebalancing to the upside right at the open. But some of this is driven by the news that's happening in the war. So, and it's all disinformation. When we get going here, they may just decide to run it straight down. The fear may be back over the oil prices. If we go look at those oil prices, uh, crude oil is up 3%, back up to 73.86. Certainly better than the peak of the war, but back up. VIX has risen a little bit. 1637 is not a high VIX. I mean, 17 would be expected sometime, what, normal. So still pretty low on VIX. All the other indexes are down here. Silver, gold, all of it down. Our treasuries are down. They're on the edge of becoming significant there. I'd like to see some double digits on both of those, but they are supportive of bearish moves right now. So we'll have to see if that plays out. We always watch these throughout the day, all day long. Let's go to our longer time frames, take a look at those, see if we can find some levels in that. Here's the daily right here. It's straddling this 8, guys. It's straddling that 21 right there. If it, if I were swing trading this, this is about as neutral as you can get. There's no directional structure here whatsoever in the daily. Let's go over to the 4-hour here and go ahead and maximize it. We've got our daily, basically the key ranges study on this one as well. And we can go back and see if these levels really kind of correspond to anything we've seen. And definitely that high of the day and H1 there. You can see how that turned around right there, and it just as it did a week ago. So that's going to be a level, and it's not a surprising one. It's just over 30,000. It's in that 30,050-ish range. So There's not a lot there above that looks significant right away here. You probably have to go back further maybe, but I'm really not seeing anything from an overhead standpoint that's going to tell us, okay, that's going to be a definite level. I mean, we've got a swing there a few points higher, but that's going to be our top. That H1, it's going to be a significant level. If it's hit again, that will be a significant level today. The pre-market low here, it came down. We come across, I mean, maybe some of the support, maybe some reactive levels right there. It does look like it did have some reaction uh, here, turned down. It was resistance in this point at this point. So obviously had support. That pre-market low, we're going to be looking hard at it as well. This is just on this is on NQ. If we look at ES and see if we get a little bit bigger picture. Yeah, it looks like to me that we may hit. Hard to say which one we'll hit if we have any real support here. We've been above H1 here back here. So we maybe get a 76.25 swing up there on ES. We're interested in this because we're trading NQ, but we're interested in ES because these indexes chase each other around or turn each other around all day. So if I put this back and we go look at that in the past, maybe we can go find some levels here. So here's a perfect example. NQ comes down to L1 earlier this evening. We got, obviously we have a swing down here at 29,650 basically, but it turned ES around. ES had not hit any major level whatsoever, and we'll see that over and over again in this trading where these things comes down. So we've got a pre-market low down here, but then we'll see that interaction with ES and NQ if we do get that move down. One of these levels, all of them can be very important for what's happening with NQ. It could change. So a lot of times we see the second level hit by, whichever side it is, make the turn on it. And we're trying to, then we start trying to figure out our entries. And hopefully we get these big moves away from VWAP and we get that VWAP magnet. That'll be some good trading. We don't have anything particular on the lower time frame charts here. I mean, we've got this cluster of highs right under 30,000 and just over 30,000 is really the only thing we see here. We've got a low down at 29,395 from Thursday. It looks like there. So there you have it. That's what we're looking at. This is our 2-minute chart. Looks like I've run that to the right a little bit. No real structure there. No real structure. We are in a bearish structure on the 5-minute here. We'll see if we get again that little rebalance to the upside because we've dropped so much overnight. But that is bearish because we're talking about stacked EMAs here. 200, 21.8 price below the 8. Stacked bearish. 15 also has gone bearish. So definitely bearish structures on the time frames that we kind of interact in, and that is the story. Is we've got this bearish read with VWAP magnet on ES, and hopefully it plays out for us. Maybe a little readjustment to the upside. If we go look at our playbook. I had that download this morning. Pardon. Sorry for the disorganization. Got it going a little bit late. Really yellow impact today. There's not a lot going on. It's really down to, rates and the oil sensitivity, the news around Hormuz today. Same thing with tomorrow. There's no strong news events, forecast. So, we'll see what happens. We look at tomorrow because we're interested in power hour. Primary drivers today uh, is likely positioning heavy on CPI. There's a CPI driver tomorrow, uh, which oddly enough, it's not getting much of a. Well, there it is, right there. June plus. Okay, it's not giving that much. Not that much weight tomorrow. Bank earnings. We do have bank earnings coming up. Likely open take will be balanced, slightly directional, depending on overnight rate. So this puts us bearish because of the way the rates are, and VWAP early magnets. We're seeing two things here that we just saw in our structural reads. The dominant driver is going to be these 30-year rates. Belt extensions, respect trend. Okay, all right, looks good. Data lot, rate sensitive. So that's what we're at on our playbook. Playbooks are available to you, certainly in Discord, our Discord channel. If you like this kind of content, like and subscribe. We'll do the pre-market and post-market analysis wrap up, see what happened. That you'd also get in our Discord channel, Level8 Trading, and that'll give you access to the daily playbooks. And you'll be able to get into some of our rooms and the videos that we do and explain our approach to how we trade these things. We're not one trick ponies on some type of magic bean strategy or anything. We're much more about situational awareness and being able to really underpin any strategy you want to see. But I'll be back this afternoon for the pre-market.